James Connor's Real Estate Investing, Rental Property Plus Flipping, serves as a comprehensive guide for those looking to enter or excel in the real estate market, specifically through rental properties and property flipping. The book outlines practical strategies and essential knowledge for both beginners and seasoned investors aiming to build wealth through real estate. Connor's book provides a dual-focus approach to real estate investing. The first part addresses the fundamentals of rental property investing, offering insights into purchasing, managing, and profiting from rental properties. The second part delves into property flipping, focusing on the process of buying undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them at a profit. Both sections are designed to provide readers with actionable strategies and insights to maximize their investments. In the rental property section, Connor emphasizes the importance of thorough market research and due diligence. He explains how to evaluate potential rental properties by assessing location, property condition, and rental income potential. The book covers financing options, including mortgages and private loans, and discusses the significance of having a solid financial plan and understanding of cash flow. Property management is another crucial aspect highlighted, with tips on maintaining tenant relationships, managing repairs, and ensuring the property remains a profitable investment. For property flipping, Connor outlines the process from acquisition to sale. He covers techniques for identifying properties with high flipping potential, such as those in emerging neighborhoods or those with cosmetic issues that can be easily addressed. The renovation process is detailed, including budgeting for repairs, hiring contractors, and ensuring that renovations increase the property's value. Additionally, the book provides strategies for effectively marketing and selling flipped properties to achieve maximum returns. One of the pivotal chapters in the rental property section discusses market analysis. Connor provides a step-by-step guide to researching local real estate markets, understanding rental trends, and using data to make informed investment decisions. This chapter is particularly useful for identifying promising investment opportunities and avoiding markets that may not yield high returns. In the property flipping section, a key chapter focuses on renovation strategies. Connor shares insights into which renovations offer the best return on investment and how to prioritize repairs to maximize property value. The chapter includes real-life examples and case studies of successful flips, offering practical advice on managing renovation projects and overcoming common challenges. Connor's book is rich with practical advice and real-world examples, making it a valuable resource for anyone interested in real estate investing. The strategies outlined are applicable to various market conditions and investment goals. Readers can use the insights to assess their financial situation, choose suitable properties, and execute investment plans effectively. The book also includes checklists and worksheets to help readers apply the concepts and track their progress. Connor's writing is infused with motivational and practical quotes that emphasize the importance of diligence and strategic planning. One notable quote is, "Success in real estate investing is not about luck but about preparation, knowledge, and execution." This quote encapsulates the book's focus on informed decision-making and proactive management. Real estate investing, Rental Property Plus Flipping, is a well-rounded guide that covers essential aspects of real estate investing. Connor's approach is practical and accessible, making complex concepts understandable for readers at various levels of experience. The book's dual focus on rental properties and flipping provides a comprehensive view of real estate investing, though some readers may find that more advanced investors might seek additional depth in specific areas. While the book is robust in its practical advice, it could benefit from more detailed case studies and analysis of market trends. Additionally, some sections on property management and flipping could be expanded to address emerging trends and technologies in real estate. Overall, Connor's book serves as an excellent starting point for individuals looking to build wealth through real estate. Its clear, actionable advice and practical examples make it a valuable resource for anyone looking to navigate the complexities of rental property investing and property flipping.